Lynn Symansky, number 455.
4.55. She's in second place on 46.4, second best of the dressage scores. After the first 2 days of competition, 4.55 from Middleburg, Virginia, member of our gold medal Pan American team, or Team USA.
Really good on form here at 3 and 4 so far. Certainly a favorite back in the stable. She is just such a wonderful person, a great rider, and she earned her spot at the Pan American Games, working very hard over many, many years. And I know this would be a sweet win for her and for all of her Middleburg-based fans, as she can get inside the time here. She's going to be fighting Maryland all the way home, because you know Maryland's not going to give it up. Well, we have word in from the fence judge at 17, a score change for Marilyn Little. She did have a run out at the cheese wedge combination at 17. We lost that on the radio transmission, but she's continuing on home. RF Smoke on the Water, but that 20 is going to drop her into standings. So Lynn Symansky and Donner now have a little breathing room as she heads down below us. She is clear at 11. And over the last for Maryland, Smoke on the Water, RF Smoke on the Water. So she is actually on the time, but unfortunately with that run out. And Marilyn Little finishing the cross country in a time of 6:06 with the run out. So she was dead on the mark. And unfortunately with that run out, that was a costly 20. So Lynn Symansky now getting a big cheer from the fans.
Yeah, she looks.
Bye-bye.
walking that way.
The bubble there as she comes to the final combination. Here she is at the final combination. At the corner turn. Big over the table with 2 to go. Come on, folks, let's put our hands together and cheer her home. Here she comes. Here she comes to the finish. She's got a big cheer. I know there's a big smile there as well. Let's send her home. Come on, everybody. Send her around. 1 to go. She makes the final turn. Here she goes to the finish.
She's gonna make it. I think
Let's
she's
see
gonna
what
make
happens.
it.
Lynn and Donna are to the line.